OpenAI just launched Atlas, ChatGPT inside your browser, and Perplexity's Comet has already been doing browser-level AI for months. So I ran 3 real-life tests: price checks, email drafting, finance analysis, and honestly, the results shocked me. Test 1. Live price comparison. Find live prices for iPhone 17 Pro, 256GB on Amazon, eBay, and Walmart for USA. Include bank offers plus exchange deals and tell me the cheapest. What happened? Comet, super fast, and got the data then showed the results. Atlas, slower, but actually opened Amazon, eBay, Walmart, scraped the live checkout prices. Result, when accuracy matters, Atlas wins. Test 2, email drafting. Open your Gmail and enter this as draft. Hey man, about that meeting, can we do it tomorrow? Then ask the assistant, turn this casual line into a professional email and insert it directly in Gmail. What happened? Atlas. It understood the prompt and started working with agent mode. Found the compose window and pasted the polished email automatically. Didn't ask unnecessary questions. Comet. Auto-enabled actions instantly. But since the prompt was vague, it asked, do you want a professional tone or semi-formal? After clarification, delivered a more natural, smoother email, and it was faster. Result: Comet wins for speed plus polish. Atlas wins for handling vague prompts. But overall, Comet wins. Test 3. Financial analysis. How much debt does Tesla have? Is it high compared to earnings? Show year-over-year trends. What happened? Comet. Clean explanation, but used a different metric, total liabilities. This led to number mismatch. Atlas, fastest, best visual output. Broke down net debt versus gross debt. Result: for visuals plus research, Atlas wins. Final score: Comet 1, Atlas 2. But the real answer is not who wins, it's which tool is right for you.